Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my July unboxing for Sips By. This is a monthly tea subscription. You get a product card that lists all the teas, gives you the steeping time, caffeine level, all that good stuff. In each box, as long as you're getting loose leaf tea, you do get some reusable muslin cloth tea bags. They're pretty awesome. You just fill them. I'll show you what they look like. Pretty awesome. I like these better than the little strainers because sometimes the strainers, little pieces go through them and that really irks me. So the first tea I have says, "Oh, you tease." That's funny. He loves me not. Pomegranate green tea with pink rose petals and hibiscus flowers. This is such a cute little envelope. You add 1 to 2 teaspoons for every 8 to 12 ounces of water. Brew for 3 to 5 minutes. Cool. So we got that. Also have, ooh, lemon and lime twists. So when they come in little packets like that, you normally get 3 to 4 of those. Yep, so there's 4 in here. That's black tea. Bet that's a good one. Then we have Ecoteas Holy Mate, unsmoked yerba mate with tulsi and peppermint. Zero waste tea bag. This eco wrapper is free from petroleum-based plastics. You drink it hot or cold. Cool. And the last tea is a loose leaf tea. It's very pretty. Turmeric tease, Dusk. Calming organic lemongrass tea with turmeric. I believe turmeric is good for weight loss, isn't it? I don't remember. I know there's health benefits for turmeric, so excited to try that. So these two we can use our little reusable bags with. Let's take a look at the card. Medium caffeine, caffeine-free, high caffeine, and high caffeine. So very awesome. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I do have a link below. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.